A waste management hierarchy is a conceptual framework designed to guide and rank waste management decisions at both individual and at an organizational level. It gives top priority to waste prevention. Also, such planning can help us in restructuring the relationship with waste based on 5 priority ranked in the terms of what's best for the environment. This is often illustrated as a 5-tier inverted pyramid. In today's video, we will understand this waste management hierarchy that has the potential to replace the traditional waste management approach of the 3 R's, that is reduce, recycle and reuse, by expanding it into a 5-step process, that is prevent, reduce, reuse, recycle, recover and finally disposal. Hello, my name is Shaleen and I welcome you to our YouTube channel Enterclimate. So let's begin with the video and understand how this approach can benefit a business. As we can see in the shown figure, the most preferred action are at the top and the least preferred are at the bottom of the inverted pyramid. The use of this hierarchy came alongside the emergence of life cycle. Life cycle thinking in waste management policy, which looks at the totality of the products or services' environmental impact, from raw material extraction, processing and manufacturing to the distribution, usage and disposal. By following the waste management hierarchy, organizations can extract the most benefit from their product and services while minimizing their waste output. But what does each stage of the hierarchy mean? Let's understand each of the stage one by one. The first stage is reduce. The waste management hierarchy places top priority on reducing or preventing as much waste generation as possible. This stage encourages the industries, communities and the government to reduce their use of virgin raw materials to produce goods and services. The idea is to maximize efficiency and prevent unnecessary consumption of resources through steps such as procuring raw materials that come with the least packaging or require the fewest resources to refine, avoiding disposable or single-use goods, procuring materials that are recycled or can be recycled, repaired or reused, optimizing inventory to prevent the perishable goods, example food items, from going to waste. If your business can't reduce or prevent waste, you can also prepare them for reuse. The second stage in this list is reusing. Preparing materials for reuse in their original form is the second best approach to waste management. Aside from reducing your landfill impact, reusing the business waste also allows your business to avoid spending on new goods or virgin materials or paying a provider to dispose of your waste for you. For example, office-based businesses can use the following measures to prepare common items for reuse: using durable glasses, mugs, cups, plates and cutlery instead of disposable alternatives, implementing strategy to reduce envelopes, boxes and other packaging material, donating or selling used furniture, computer and equipments and other office equipments, refilling of products such as toners and printer cartridges instead of buying new ones. A business can even generate income from items and business waste that are valuable to other organizations. The third approach here is the recycling. The recycling stage involves processing materials that would otherwise be sent to landfills and turning them into new products. This is the third step of the waste management hierarchy because of the extra energy and the resources that goes into creating new products. To maximize recycling opportunities, a business will need to have the proper recycling infrastructure in place, which can be an on-site recycling facility, example for grinding concrete into materials for backfilling, or a total waste management provider that can handle segregation, collection and recycling for the business. The fourth stage is recovery. When further recycling is not practical or possible, businesses can recover energy or materials from waste through processes such as incineration, anaerobic digestion, gasification or pyrolysis. With these approaches, the recovered energy can be made available for the organization's use or can be fed back into the electricity grid. Finally, coming to the last stage, that is disposal. When all else fail, materials that cannot be reused, recycled or recovered for energy will be landfilled or incinerated without energy recovery. This is an unsustainable method of waste management because waste that sits in landfill can continue to have a damaging environmental impact. For example, 1 ton of landfilled food waste is estimated to produce 450 kgs of carbon emissions. Landfills can also leak chemicals and toxic liquids that can contaminate soil and groundwater underneath. Therefore, such management approaches must be kept to the last. In order to make your business sustainable, it is crucial that you implement proper waste management strategy. In addition to this waste management hierarchy, there are many ways to reduce your operation cost and make it profitable in the long run. The recently announced Green Credit Scheme by the Indian government has presented our private sector with a rewarding mechanism for such voluntary activities. If you want to avail the benefits of these changing dynamics in waste management, you can contact our experienced team of professionals and Enterclimate to take the competitive edge in this new revolution. So that was all for today's topic. I hope you found it informative. Please like and share if you did. Thank you for watching.